I'm leaving, and the weather is a northeaster, but I'm right on the snow rain line. We've gotten about 4 inches of snow, and let me show you what it looks like. It's kind of a sloppy mess, but it's not horrible. Okay, the storm's not over, and I've got about a 40-minute ride to the airport. Let's see how that goes. It is supposed to snow more tonight here. Hopefully I get out this afternoon during this lull, even though I did see 50-mile-an-hour winds heading the direction of the plane. Exciting.
Live in the moment.